Pozdrav svima i dobrodošli u povratnički video na mom YouTube kanalu. Današnji video bit će ujedno i povratnički video, odlučio sam se vratiti na YouTube. S obzirom da nemam baš dosta vremena, odlučio sam više provoditi vrijeme s vama na streamovima. Pitao sam vas želite li da napravim ovaj video, s obzirom da će sa mnom biti i moja djevojka Laura, te ćemo zajedno na streamovima se družiti s vama. I vi ste rekli da želite, pa evo, u ovom videu ću vam se ona malo predstaviti, pa evo, da ja više ne duljim, uživajte u videu.
Hey guys, so I'm Laura. I will present a little more about me to you, since you asked me to do this video. So, I am Laura.
But you already know that.
I have 24 years and I'm doing a master in sport management. More focus in marketing and in communication, in clubs, in sport companies. And well, I'm from Portugal and I'm doing this video from the nether of Portugal, as you see. So I'm sorry for noise, birds, whatever. And well, talking a little more about me and what is the objective with me present in these streams is that I will be manager of dummy teams, where literally I will choose players or other things when you ask me and when he asks me. So that means that when dummy play and play bad, we have two options. Or you can say that it's because he have a bad manager, that is me, or because he play bad, depends what you think. And of course, if the things go well, you can say that it's because he have a good manager, that is me. And well, I don't like so much things about Portugal, and that means that more than 8-9 years ago I started following Croatia and Balkans in general, but more Croatia, and I support Croatia national team in World Cup, Euro, Nationals League, wherever. I support Croatia, that's the point. And well, it's a love, I can't explain, but I feel that Croatia is my home. I don't know how to talk Croatian because this language is complicated as hell, but I'm trying. I know some things, but I can't talk with you in Croatian, unfortunately. But I was in Croatia 2 times. I have the 3rd time planned to September. And yeah, I mean, I really love this country, the culture of country, the football. And yeah, talking about football, I follow the 1st division, also a little the 2nd, but especially the 1st. And I'm a Hajduk fan, yeah, I'm a Hajduk fan, Dom is Rijeka, but is now the moment that I also need to say that I am Hajduk fan. Hajduk is the club number 1 in my heart in Croatia, but I also like Rijeka. And I know it's complicated to understand because both clubs are rivals, both clubs are a big rivals, and we know what I mean, but I really like both. I start following Hajduk in 2021 when my favorite player, that is Filip Karvinovic, joined in the Hajduk team. What was about a player start with a big love with a club. Today I think I follow more Hajduk than the club that I support in my country, that is Benfica. I cry a lot when it's problems to Hajduk. I cry in every circumstance. And yeah, I mean, Hajduk have a really big place in my heart. I really love this club. I was in Polju 2 times during this season. I need to say that we lost both games. First against Istra in September, and in January with Dominic in Adriatic Derby we lost also. I'm sorry, I think it's my fault that the presence in stadium. But yeah, I mean, in general, I really hope that I can see Hajduk live more. I need to say also that I saw Hajduk in Portugal against Vitória de Guimarães. Was a trauma, I need to say, because I was in the stands in the middle of Vitória de Guimarães fans. Was crazy game. I wanted to scream, but I couldn't, because yeah, I could not be where in this video after if I scream in Guimarães Stadium, but whatever. I really like Hajduk, and I mean, what I normally say to Dominic is that if one club win the cup and the other the title, I am the most happy person. But yeah, a little about why I support also Rijeka is of course because of Dominic. I need to say that I didn't like Rijeka because of other things that I will not mention some 2 or 3 years ago. But when I meet Dominic, we start talking, he showed me about Rijeka and I start liking. And of course, Rijeka have a Portuguese guy also, and that is other plus. But yeah, I can say that Rijeka have a big space also. I am anxious to go to Ugodno. I hope I can go in September, and well, I hope Hajduk fans and Rijeka fans that see this video don't criticize each other or don't criticize me to support both clubs, because I can't explain all in this video, but it's really that I love both. Of course, and it's Adriatic derby, I am always with Hajduk, because Hajduk side for me is bigger. But I really like both clubs and I respect both sides. And about national team, I will see now national team in June with Dominic in Portugal, a Portugal-Croatian friendly games. But yeah, I mean, I start following Croatia because of Modric. I'm also a very big fan of Real Madrid, and Modric is a star in this club, so of course when I see that he's Croatia, I follow even more Croatian national team, and he's my favorite player in this national team. And I can't wait to Euro, because I really think that Croatia will do a big Euro after 2 World Cups that are very good. I think we need to do a big Euro, especially because probably it's the last competition of Modric with us. So I'm really excited to that. And yeah, I mean, I hope you can accept me as a Croatian supporter, a Croatian lover, because I know more about Croatian football than Portuguese football. That's the thing. I mean, I don't know how to say this, but we can also do challenge with badges of clubs or something, and you will see that I'm pretty much very good in that situation in Croatia League. In first division, second, maybe with some in third, so we can see about that. And now a little about curiosities about me and Dominic. Domi and I meet in December of 2022 during the World Cup in Qatar, but Domi worked as a sport journalist, and somehow he found me in my fan page in Instagram, that I have a fan page for Croatia, Hajduk and national team, and he found me. He think that was interesting that a crazy Portuguese girl don't like Portugal and support Croatia, so he wanted to write about me, and he wrote an article about me. Between December and January 2023 we are friends, we started a good friendship, but in the last days of January we start this relationship that already have more than 1 year and 3-4 months. He also visit Portugal often, I go to Croatia often, and this basically this. I mean, we watch our clubs in call together, we talk about many things, and I know the love that Domi have with games, and I also have. I'm not expert in Football Manager, I'm studying in last month literally, and I mean, what I understand is about football. I also play FIFA and PES, and I hope soon I can show that to you. Who knows, in other videos in next month, but I will show that to you. I can say that I went to Domi 1 or 2 times, meanwhile all these 1 year and some months. So you see that I'm not so bad, because Domi play very good, but I also play, maybe because I'm a little more older and I also play much years, and yeah, I really have anxiety to start this project with you guys, with Domi by my side. I hope you really like me in these streams and in rest, and if you have more questions about us, of course you leave in the comments, and we will see each other in streams. Bye!